Hey guys, Squint here. This is a lock that I want to pick for K1 Locks challenge. He wants us to pick a padlock, so I got this lock off of eBay, and the core in it was kind of jacked up, so I sent it to Mr. Bill Bacardi to see if he could fix it for me, but he ended up having to put a new core in there. So I have a Falcon core in here. You guys can see. 5-pin, 6-pin Falcon core, pinned up by Mr. Bill Bacardi. There's the key bitting on there. Just an overall good lock, seeing some wear and tear. But let's see if we can get this thing picked. Zoom in. Top of the keyway. Let's see. Probably take this from the bottom. Too big. Let me see if I can switch to the bottom, so maybe a little easier to turn. There we go. All right. First time I've picked that lock, so I appreciate you, Mr. Bacardi, for pinning that back up for me, getting this best lock back in operation. I probably won't take it apart, but I will take the core out so you guys can see that it's got all the pins in there. Okay, there's the working one. Let's find the control key. This back out. Alright, let's flip these around. Hopefully you guys can see these zoomed in. Come on. There we go. Alright, we're going to flip it around. Everything is in there. Alright guys, well, again, like I said, this is a 6-pin Falcon core. Mr. Bacardi, thank you for pinning that back up for me. This is my best lock that I'm going to put in K1 Locks pick a padlock challenge. Alright guys, this is Squint, and I'll be on to the next lock.